What if you could take control of your entire day before most people even open their eyes? Start by waking up early, between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. That one decision sets the tone for everything. As soon as you rise, drink a full glass of water. Your body's been dehydrated for hours. Give it what it needs. Next, step outside. Let the sunlight hit your face. This simple act resets your internal clock and tells your brain it's go time. Now, fuel up. Eat a high-protein breakfast, something that'll actually give you energy, not just sugar spikes. After that, pause. Take 5 to 10 minutes to just breathe. Meditate. Center yourself. And if you've got the time, squeeze in a quick workout. Even 15 minutes is enough to activate your mind and body. Craving caffeine? Go for it. A cup of coffee now will sharpen your focus and help you dive into deep, distraction-free work. Later in the day, pick up a book. Even just a few pages will stretch your thinking and fuel your creativity. When it's time for lunch, keep it clean, protein-rich, low on carbs. Avoid the crash, stay sharp, then step outside again. Fresh air, more sunlight, reset your energy. And don't forget to check in with people you care about. Even a short call or message helps you nurture real connections. In the evening, do something creative. Paint, write, play an instrument, build something. It doesn't have to be perfect, just express yourself. Dinner, make it count. Protein plus healthy carbs to recover and refuel. About an hour before bed, take magnesium to help your body relax. And cut the screens. Blue light messes with your sleep more than you realize. Use this time to reflect. What went well today? What can you improve? Set your goals for tomorrow. Practice some slow, intentional breathing. Then shut it down. Head to bed between 9 and 10 p.m. because tomorrow's growth starts tonight. This routine may seem simple, but if you do it with intention, it'll reshape your life one day at a time.